Some Vinay, Pramod student is Sunil is also so basically PICS engineering, aesthetic spaces, Shanti facades. So these are different organizations. Usually we are. So now let me look into the graph how we have started, how the organizations are there kind of. So when we look into, see 2022, unfortunately we had in our hand the number of companies are only 3 companies. Means you can see how much challenge it could be there, and the situation was, so only 3 companies we are there in the hand in 2022. 23, 49 companies are there in our hand. But because I started across the companies meeting, greeting, inviting, so 2024 it is 70. So 70 companies. So can you tell me approximately how much is 2025?
100 plus.
So this is 125. But this can be avoided with the row. We are there with 125 companies. So that's a big achievement, I can say. Within a short period of time, you had 125 companies. But with 125 companies, how many companies are met of reach? Any idea? No, 125 companies are registered companies officially. No, not where I went, where it is registered. But to reach this much, how many are to reach? Okay, still?
150, sir.
150, okay, still? 300, still? 500, okay, still? 180, 450, okay, still?
250.
470. Yes, it is close to 900 companies. Close to 900 companies. We have went. No, we have basically discussed every day what is opening, where is opening. Kind of, it is not a small journey to reach this particular figure. So this is. So which is this company? Okay, this time let the student answer. I'm going to proceed with the inquiry of Shobha. Basically, we have invited Shobha. You remember your HR? Your HR and your vice president, Srinivas, your VP, vice president, they have come here. So when is this event? Placement, but
no,
see, someone has got place. We have bought a cave also for the students actually. So we have given placement opportunity at a time for 7 students. Quite good. Then we are actually celebrating this particular and at the time we have completed 125 placements. So let us start with technical question and launch. See, I think this is a page where you can see always we make faculty to write some technical questions so that they can explain to the students in a much better way. So here you can see certain technical papers and on page of faculty chief is Akshata, Professor sir, you already know it, Mr. Bhanuteja and other faculties, so all of them have written. Now it is a time for a mechanical technical paper. So please come, I welcome Ms. Aishwarya to launch the technical paper. about ANSYS, API analysis, which we wanted to only focus from this particular year. So that is basically this capability paper. This paper consists of basically 50 questions. So as a glimpse, we have given here 4 papers as a printout, but the PDF document will be there in our website. So later you can see from our website. Mechanical students will be very helpful for you. So these are set of technical questions and answers on API analysis, basically we call as. So this particular question is okay. Okay. See now, paper I made it. That is PPT I made it in such a way that I also want you to interact, check it. You all are our students, so you can make a guesswork. So when the particular event is there, what time the event is there, kind of. So okay. Probably first students, later faculty can answer. So when this event is dated, you can at least tell the month and year.
Both students can say. Archana.
I think students are already there. Many of the students are already there when you are doing the cake cutting. So here all our faculty are there, old faculty. So basically, Mr. Puri, Mr. Purviraj, Mr. Mukund is there, back of Mr. and
Mostly I will be there.
that's nice. So at least a guesswork.
Last year, October.
5th September.
Sorry. What, sir?
Raju को कर दे सकते हैं. 5th September, that's right. That is for Teachers Day.
Teachers Day.
So this is on Teachers Day. We had this. Okay. So now this question is to faculty. So also faculty, please come inside. Don't sit backside, but put on the head. Put on the head. Middle faculty. Okay, so what is the name of the company who are presenting the bouquet?
Aesthetics, sir.
Okay, you can give us the aesthetic.
Yes.
So it is aesthetic business. Okay. See, now when is this pic? Mechanical students who are also there in this pic are also sitting here.
Sir, Ganpati Puja. Sir, Ganpati Puja. Not faculty, student. Archana, you are there. I am.
You can give one. That's Archana as well. Yes, no, here we have all our old students. I think Archana is there here. She is the Bhimanna. Okay, Archana, you please tell the names of each of them.
Bhimanna, me, Archana, me, Archana, Girish, and Ravi Teja, Niranjan, Bhaskar sir, Maniratnam sir,
Muniratnam, yeah.
Shakti sir, and Prasanna sir.
Is Satish.
Yeah.
Is Satish from Tirupati. So there is this event. So who are there in this please do not answer. Who are there in this please do not answer. Let others answer.
Diwali, sir.
Okay. So no.
You know why? She
She or Prasanna sir has got best annual award.
24.
Who said? Good. Now 2024 Prasanna sir was awarded as faculty best annual faculty award. Okay. So now we'll start with the next session, that is basically what is our past, what is our present and future. So again you will get certain questions after some time. Okay. See, basically I will tell about the 4 pillars, that is software training, our placement services, placement history and our partners. So these 4 things I will let you know, and we will understand in this particular basically slides. where we are standing, where we have improved, there is the areas further we are actually looking for. Everything we will try to understand from this particular slides. See, softwares 2022. Basically, what all softwares we are started with initially is AutoCAD, SketchUp, Relay, Revit architecture. In 2022, from the time we have established it, and Mechanical CAD, SolidWorks, GDIT. Okay, only 3 softwares were there for 2022. That's IT, MS Office, C Language, C++, Java, Python, Tally, and all. Unfortunately, there was no electrical softwares we were teaching. Any electrical student here, by any chance? Okay. So, hardly very few softwares are there when we have initially started. So, some softwares in 2023 when we look into. So, this is add-on. The color which is in blue, again you can see it is an add-on. So, 2023 we have added with Revit structure, STAD, EDAS, and mechanical segment we have added with Caddesk and SYS. So, electrical segment we have added with AutoCAD Electrical in 2023. IT courses, MS Office, C Language, C++, Java, Python, Tally, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Tally, Prime actually. That is, the first one is Tally GST was there. Later we have entered into Tally Prime. That is like upgraded version which we have entered, and SAP FICO. So 2023, this is what we have entered. And other IT courses, Photoshop, Corona. So, Mr. Mukul was teaching Photoshop and Corona. So, software 2024, again we have basically civil, mechanical, electrical segment. So, we have Revit structure. So, 2024 actually we try to majorly focus on the softwares pertaining to placement. So, STAD Pro and EDAS initially we used to teach it, later again we have dropped down. Next is Revit MEP was introduced. 3ds Max we have introduced, quantity estimate in 2024. Mechanical segment, so we have CAD, that is already there, NX CAD, and ANSYS again we have dropped down in 2024. In electrical segment we have introduced Revit MEP, E-Plan. So IT courses again, MS Office, the same. So here we have introduced it with Photoshop, Corona, digital marketing. So digital marketing is one of the other applications what actually we have introduced in 2025. So faculty Mr. Mukul was actually teaching digital marketing. Now currently we have our faculty here, so we will be handling this digital marketing. So 2025. So when we look into the progress again, so we have entered here into another software called Inkscape. I think major of you are learning Inkscape now. So 3ds Max with Relay. Let's come into mechanical segment. So Creo, because Creo we have introduced actually in the like August September time, because we had a boom in Creo. Openings are there and companies are asking for Creo requirement. So we have introduced Creo. Electrical segment, yes, there is majorly these 3 courses we have a boom and we have the companies. So we have continued with the same. And IT. Yes, Illustrator is again another application software, basically graphics. So even faculty has studied that. So Power BI, this is one more. Already we have introduced it. So in the softwares 2026. So basically our plan, like what we wanted to introduce in 2026, for this Lumion Civil 3D Navigator. So again we are expecting certain demand in this particular area. Actually, Civil 3D already we have initiated for some of the students. I think the Gayatri already is taking it online. So Lumion Navigator, also few students are already there who are registered. Next, mechanical, we have introduced here ANSYS for this 2026. ANSYS will be there, and the plan for mechanical actually is the introduction with, or to initiate with CNC and NXCAM in offline mode. Online mode it is already there, but whatever I was showing here, it is basically in the online segment. Next is ArtCAM is another application. typical again we have the plan for E3D and MATLAB. And because there is a demand from the companies, so the companies like Namoda Energy are actually asking us for E3D, and MATLAB is a simulation application software. So basically for electrical, also mechanical engineers also can use MATLAB. And IT segment. So as of now, we have actually Tableau. Tableau is not there. We wanted to introduce that, and Illustrator is ongoing on. So this is basically our journey in the softwares. So from where we have started in 2022, and step by step we are coming. So let me look at the graph. So year 2022, we are actually there with 13 softwares, and year 2023, it is 27 softwares, and year 2024, it is one step higher. We haven't, that is 30 softwares. 2025, any approximation? How many it is?
40.
I think Kashana can be given on then. I think closely to the close point. I think 36 software. So, and year 2026.
44.
40, sir.
40 or
40.
Who said 45?
Sir, I said 44.
No. Already you got done? Okay, yes. So, this is our plan. So, for 2026, 45 software. Actually, our proposal is this. Yes. So, this is all our proposal. We have increases. Okay. Ready?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, see, what was the gift given to Ruxana? Not answerable by Ruxana. Students are also there.
And one cracker box.
Yes, cracker box. Yes. One set of, yes, I think. See, when was this pic taken? Very easy. First Rani.
Rani, you are there, right?
Yes. In this, all are there. Chandrasekhar is also there. Manesh, Diana.
Monica, Kirti. Rani, you are not there. Your friends are there.
Okay.